Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make rainbow warabimochi. Warabimochi is Japanese confection, chewy jelly-like mochi. You can get ready-made at stores in Japan. In this video, I wanted to share with you easy yet fun idea using warabimochi. Even kids can make it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. The shaved ice syrup I used comes in 7 colors. Not gonna use black sugar syrup and soybean powder. Divide warabimochi into 8 plates. Warabimochi is very sticky, so you wanted to wet your hands. Actually, rinsing with water is better because people say that it makes warabimochi 100 times more delicious. Now pour in syrup and leave in the fridge for about an hour. After an hour, thread them onto the skewers to finish. And now it's done! Fun and easy, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Mochi.
美味しい？
甘すぎ。お餅食べたい。
お餅どうですか？
おいしい。チャンネル登録お願いします。ケッポボタンを押してね。バイバーイ。
ぶどう味をいただきます。結構フルーツの味がして美味しいです。それで意外と娘曰くきな粉をつけると美味しいそうで、確かに美味しいです。すごく楽しいです。じゃあまたね。Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.